So this video is for the do-it-yourselfer. So if you're not a professional, but you're looking for something cute, quick and easy to do to your locks for Valentine's Day, here you go. So obviously I need a retwist really bad. It's been over a month and I need a retwist. So the first thing that I am going to do here is section off the hair. It's basically a cheat roller set. Honestly, this is the easiest method for me when I'm doing a roller set. Do what makes you comfortable. I'm using goodie bands to secure my sections here. Now, normally I use rubber bands, but I didn't have any, so I'm using goodie bands. Rubber bands are easier because you can just cut them out and you don't have to worry about sliding them down your hair. I have a total of 7 sections. So the next thing I am doing here is just spritzing my section that I'm working on with my rose water. And then I just take my perm rod and roll it up. Now I'm taking a little bit of bigger sections here because I only have the 1 pack of rollers. I needed a little bit more and I didn't want to run out. So if you have more, definitely make the sections smaller when you're putting the rollers on. And like magic, all of my hair is done. I'm going to then, after I do this 360 here, I'm going to spritz my hair with rose water again, just to make sure I got each section nice and saturated, because I don't use a mousse or anything on my hair. If you want to, and you want a little bit more hold, you don't mind using that on your hair, that product, go right ahead. And then I go to bed, so I let it air dry overnight. And then I just take each section down, being really careful. I'm gonna tell you, my hair was actually still a little bit wet. Only a few pieces, but you'll see like kind of toward the back where some of them were hanging a little bit. That was a little bit disappointing, but it still made for a really pretty hairstyle. So it's nice and bouncy. And on this part, I am going to go ahead and take the goodie bands out. So remember when I said I normally use rubber bands, a lot easier to take them out by just cutting them out than having to do this. But here we go. Let's continue. I don't know about you guys, but I love Valentine's Day. My birthday is actually the day after Valentine, and I've been married for 17 years at this point. When I was dating my husband, he started this whole thing with doing a birthday week for me. So it's always so fun. He's never missed a year in the amount of time that we were dating and married. So it's been over like 19 years. So I love Valentine's Day. Let me know down below if you like Valentine's Day, what you like to do. All right, so back to the hair. I'm just pulling the hair apart. I'm being careful because again, I had some spots that were still just a little bit damp. If you want to see a really cute updo I did with these curls, I'm gonna put the link to that video in my description box. Along with any products used in this video, you'll be able to find the link below. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure that you share. Clean up the edges a little bit. Yeah. Yes. All right, so I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.